All right, here is the explanation for number 10. I'm assuming that you've read the problem here and that the problem is asking for, we've got 5 flights, we've got 2 will arrive late. Find the experimental probability that of 5 flights, at least 2 will arrive late. So the digits 7, 8, and 9 represent arriving late. So that is going to be our numerator. Numerator. I can spell it right. Out of the total number. So we're going to look at each one of these examples here, and any 7, 8, and 9 we're going to count. That will be our numerator. So in this one we have 1, 9. So that's 1 out of 5 arrive late, because 7, 8, and 9 represents flights arriving late. These are all out of 5 scenarios. So we find, again, we have a 9 here, so that's 1/5. We've got a 9 and an 8. That's 2 out of 5. We've got an 8 and a 9. That's 2 out of 5. We've got an 8, so that's 1 out of 5. So each one of these, the denominator is always going to be 5 because there's 5 examples here. So 7, 8, 7, that's 3 out of 5. 9, 7, that's 2 out of 5. Let's see, 7 and 8, 2 out of 5. 8, 9, 2 out of 5. 9, 8, 7, 3 out of 5. Because the key, I'm looking for that 7, 8, 9. 2 out of 5. 3 out of 5. 1 out of 5. 3 out of 5. Let me read that. That's 3 out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5. 1 out of 5. 1 out of 5. 0 out of 5. 0 out of 5. 0 out of 5. The problem is asking for at least 2 will arrive late. So how many of these examples in this table have a 2 or greater? That's 1/5. So I'm just going to go ahead and circle the ones that do. There's 1, 2/5. That's 2 out of 5. That has 2 out of 5. We're looking for at least 2. So at least 2/5 here. And then there's 3 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 2 out of 5. I'm going to continue circling the ones that have a 2 or 3 in them or higher. And this 4 counts because it's higher than 2. It's at least 2. All right, so none of the bottom. So how many do I have if I count the ones that I circled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've got 11 of these trials have at least 2 out of 5. What is the total number of trials that she did for the experiment? Well, this column, to find the total number of trials, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a table 5 by 4. So 5 times 4, she did a total of 20 trials. So the experimental probability of 5 flights with 2 arriving late is 11/20.